Hello, I'm Simon Tofield, creator of Simon's Cat, and today I'm going to be drawing you the star of the show, the cat himself. So here we are, we start with two big round eyes, little tiny pupils. He has a tiny nose and a tiny little smile that makes him very cute. It gives him a kind of baby face. Then he has a big M-shaped line for his ears. And because he's a chubby little character, he's got quite fat little feet, chubby little paws. Little back leg, and quite a big fat round tail. Put some ground on there. So there's his head and his ears. Now he has these little fat dumpy paws, but on the underside there's a little round circle, a little pad. That's very cat-like, and I like to put that into the animations whenever I can. And he's got a big fat fluffy tail. He has little human hands when he needs them, when he picks up things and holds them. And there's his little pad there. We'll draw him in his classic pose now, as he's always begging for food. His eyes there. And we're going to give him a big, wide open mouth. There he is, pointing to his mouth there. A couple of little movement lines are there. It shows that his arm's actually moving, he's pointing to his mouth. Give him his bowl as well, it's empty. So there you go. That's how I draw Simon's cat.